All right, I'd like to briefly talk to you guys today about switching between forms. And the thing that's going to be easiest every time is taking vertex form or factored form and converting it to standard form. So let's start there. If you have factored form, something like this, x minus 3, x plus 2, and you want to convert that to standard form, it's really, really simple. This is exactly what we learned how to do 2 units ago. We just simply multiply these expressions together. You could use FOIL, you could use the box. I love the box, so I'm going to rock it this way. X negative 3, x2, the result is x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. I write that all out and I get the expression 1x squared minus a single x, because those combine like terms, minus 6. I got my A, my B, and my C. Boom. And I know my y-intercept is now negative 6. So that's pretty easy. That's not too bad. But what if you have something in vertex form? Well, this actually isn't all that bad either. Let's say that I had maybe like 2 times the quantity x plus 3 squared minus 4. And that's pretty much as ugly as it's going to be. What you got to recognize is that this quadratic expression right here in the middle is the same thing as just x plus 3 times x plus 3. And so I could actually go ahead and use the box just like I did a second ago to multiply it out and get it to standard form. Or there's a neat shortcut for this one. You simply add this number to itself to get the middle number, and you multiply it by itself to get the last number. Of course, all of this needs to be doubled and then subtracted by 4. So I think in the end, that would give you like 2x squared plus 12x, and 18 minus 4 is 14. So it takes a little longer, but it's not that bad to put that in standard form. Now, the real question is, how the heck do you take something in standard form and reverse engineer that? That is a really difficult concept and involves this relationship between something being multiplied by itself, which is called a sum of squares. I'm not going to get into that today, but I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with adjusting the equation in such a way that you're able to get x plus something squared. In this particular problem, you would want to get x plus 2 squared, but you would actually have an extra 2 left over. So this would be vertex form of that standard form quadratic. If you actually want to learn how to do that, because I really didn't explain it, I'll include a link on this page to an article on, I believe it's Math Warehouse maybe, and you can check that out for yourself. The truth is, though, as long as you can go from vertex form to standard form or factored form to standard form, you'll be just all right.